I required only the sales in million, and also the legend. I'm just adding the client, whoever having the different clients, so that we will get some ideas and exploration. And the details also will specifically mentioned in terms of client, so that we'll get some ideas in drill down through that. And cross report also I'm just enabling. You can see the visualization part with corresponding to some background to change as a black. Yeah, background to change as a blank, title and effectiveness and header positions. I'm just changing to black so that it will be very helpful to visualize the things much better when compared to that. And some, yeah, title background is fine. So I'm also changing the labels as well as, so that it will eventually gives with corresponding to the different values what we expecting. So change it to white again and increase the font size to much better, so that it will be visible to the end user corresponding to that. Yeah, so this is much better compared to that. You can also drag and drop for this, so that will eventually get the good results at the end. So yeah, so what will happen exponentially with corresponding to some of the display information you want to be auto display, and you can also display with the vertical position, also downward positions. So this is eventually helpful. You want to be specified in terms of the green color or any color you want to be specified to tool tips, so that it will also be helpful at the time of situation. So like that you can create and try to understood from this dashboard, so that it will be very helpful at the time of situation creating some of the dashboards like this. So creating the dashboard is very simpler. I mean, once you completed some of the sessions whatever we have discussed, so here you can see this is a very simple KPI, and to get the some of the salary KPI, and also you can also see some simple pie plot is going to be represented with some of the things, and this is just a bar plot. If I want to know healthcare one, so I just click on this, I disable this finance. You can see the healthcare information is going to be get rid from all the corresponding KPIs along with some pie plot and also the maximum salary. So I want the banking side. So on the banking side, it's going to give some of the banking information with respect to your salary, and some of the information with respect to some different persons having the last name. You can see whenever you selected any table, suppose you can see here. So I have clicked on this plot. So I have given this transaction and also the master table having the salary. So the pipeline having these two kind of the things with salary and the department ID. And also if I click on this KPI, I eventually get the salary and also the master table along with the department ID. So basically we had to analyze corresponding to whatever the analysis we are expecting from this dashboard. So once I know, or once I click on this any kind of departments, so this is somewhat checkbox. This is somewhat checkbox at the end, and you're going to be get average number of the salary, and also you will eventually get the different persons having who is going to be higher and who is not going to be higher. And this is one observation you're going to be get in the bar plot. And you can see the pie plot is going to be basically tells about for whoever having the first name. So that is something Rahul or some Bahesh and some other people. It's also showing as a representation in terms of percentage wise. You can see here, and count and percentage wise. And also you can get the KPI at the end with respect to the salary and also the department ID. And is also giving some goal results, KPI, key performance matrix. So eventually I need to understood this KPI with respect to all the all the different values we had, so that it will be very easy to get grabs in terms of these different colors. You can see I have used different colors for different things. So for the salary, I have used the blue color and to represent the average salary in terms of the green color. And also you can see in the pie plot also, we have used the different colors to showcase the different